cutics. Like a nail polish. Okay, I've got this. I've got the rotten eggs.
I love eggs.
Okay, do it. You bite it. You bite. It's the rotten one. You know rotten?
Do you like it?
You like it? It's nice. Hi, mga loves! Welcome to our channel! So my name is Bubuchang, and you are? And you are? Boy Pilas.
No.
So as you can see on my previous videos, my loves, we bought a lot of candies. So today we are going to taste those candies. Bida na naman yung si Doc. Okay, let's start with the Harry Potter chocolate frog.
Yummy! Yummy!
So do you remember the Harry Potter movie, mga loves, wherein si Ron, he ate the chocolate frog thingy? So maybe I will just go ahead and put
This is mine.
a snip.
Watch it. It's rotten luck.
Okay, so we're gonna taste this if this is really delicious. So it says here it comes with a collectible wizard card inside. Let's see about that. So Harry Potter chocolate frog. Let's open it.
Frog toy.
Wow! There's a card in. Wow! There's a card. Okay, so the frog.
Oh my gosh!
So the frog looks like that. It's really a frog, but unfortunately it doesn't
Wanna
move.
eat a frog?
Compared sa movie, nag-move siya. So ito hindi siya nag-move.
Yummy.
And we've got a card, a wizard card. Oh, we got Voldemort. Ooh. Let's check out the card first.
Hold on. Yay! Oh!
Wait. So we've got Voldemort. Ooh, this is like a two-way card.
Two-way card?
Yeah. Yung nakita mo iba-ibang
I wanna
itsura
eat
in
it.
any
I wanna
angle. Papa,
eat
you open this Voldemort card. Okay, so let's taste the froggy
Let's taste
chocolate
it.
thingy.
Let's taste
Oh, there's a may mga crunch siya. Look. That looks like really a froggy. There you go, froggy.
Oh, so cute. Oopsie.
It's good. Okay.
Yummy.
Is it yummy? Yummy? Dili mo nag-surge. It doesn't taste like Surge or the local one, so it's yummy. You want more?
Kung siya dark chocolate, no?
Dark chocolate? Alam mo siya? Dark chocolate siya.
No? Ang lasa ba?
This is the Voldemort card that we got. See? Harry Potter and Voldemort. The next candy that we have here is... Alright, we've got the Jelly Slugs. Gummy Candy Slugs. Harry Potter! And Harry
You can
Potter.
change it. You can change it.
Okay, let's open this.
I love another card. There's another card
No,
inside.
there's no card inside. We'll just have it like the light green one is a pear, then we have sour cherry, tangerine, watermelon, and banana flavors. So, open natin mga loves, and it smells like big boy. Big boy. Or bazooka for some reason. Okay, let's see. I will try. The orange one is the tangerine. So, what about you? Parang siya yung, alam niyo yung orange na
I want
candy pang bata na may mga asukal. Ganun ang lasa niya. That one is watermelon. You like it? You like it? Okay. You like it or no? Pero, mas masarap pa yung sa atin na orange na may asukal.
What do I get?
You like this? Watermelon. Parang bubble gum. And what about this one, the yellow one?
I want pickle.
This is banana bubble gum. It smells like Q-tips. Like a nail polish.
What is that?
Tangerine.
Tangerine?
It's like an orange.
Like orange.
Parang ako kumakain ng nail polish.
Yummy! Yummy! So cute. Yummy.
Ew, I like it.
Yummy.
And, mahal yan mga loves. 150 pesos, hindi pala masarap. Huwag yung kainin. Ayan.
Yummy.
I like it. Next! Dun, dun, dun.
I love this.
Okay, you love it. We have Bertie Bott's beans. So, meron tayong banana, candy floss, earthworm, earwax. Para siyang Bean Boozled. But let's taste it. If you're wondering, Papa is actually playing on the background. And sa lingkusa lamang siya. Okay, we're gonna do this. And then, we're gonna shake, 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 shake it. What is this color? That one, that color. So I've got the...
Brown.
Oh my gosh, I've got the dirt. So I need to eat the dirt. Papay.
That's the brown.
My gosh. Wait lang.
Ang ginitain.
Yak, udoy!
That's a poo-poo.
Yak!
That smells like poo-poo.
No, it actually tastes like yung mga tae ng mga mga cockroach. Okay, next.
That's so right. No, I don't want it.
Don't do that!
I don't like it.
No, it's not the same for everyone. Sige, go. You try it again.
I don't like the
Pick
brown.
one.
Try, you pick one.
I don't like the brown.
Okay, you pick other one.
Baka siya ba?
This one?
Yeah, you look. Okay, that is, wait, it's either a cinnamon or a cherry or earthworm. Sige, go.
Smells good. Smell it.
Yeah, okay.
Eat now.
Is it delicious? Okay, so good. Kung got a good one. Don't do that again.
Spicy.
It's not spicy.
I like it.
This is cinnamon.
No, I like it.
But it's kind of spicy. Yeah.
That's spicy.
Ah. Ah. Gibinuang ka naman tani kami patuloy. Maway lang. Okay, Papay, next. Papay, next.
Okay, try it. That's so yucky.
Wait, no, you show Papay's face.
Blue.
Blue.
Wait lang. Blue is... Hold on. Blue is a blueberry. Sige, try it.
Oh, blueberry.
Blueberry.
Buka ka ni.
Iwa ko.
Yan lami. Okay, one more round for us.
Tuloy na
One more again.
Wait.
I
Okay, I've got this. I've got the rotten eggs.
Mommy, I love eggs.
Okay, do it. You bite it. You bite. It's the rotten one. You know rotten?
Do you like it?
You like it? That's good. It's nice. Rotten bite means it's a bad one, a bad egg.
The bad egg.
Yeah, it's not delicious. Okay, next.
Bye first.
Nana again. This is what? Earwax. Okay, let me just taste what it is. Let me taste the earwax. Your atuli. Wait.
Wala sa rotten. I love egg.
Hey. You know that?
Wow. I love it.
Okay.
Papa next.
Oh, go first.
Go next again.
Wait. You missed for the Popeye. Which one?
Which one pa? Faster, babe.
The green
Okay, the green one is
apple.
grass.
I like that.
Green apple. Okay, go.
Yeah, this is green apple.
Okay, taste it.
Oh, the same green apple.
Yeah, taste it. You show them your face. Is it good? So since Papa is actually playing na, so we're gonna try another. Let's try. I will try. This one is banana. I'll try banana.
Yummy! Delicious.
Yeah, okay. Try the booger one.
I like the burger.
Okay, so I think we've got enough na with our Harry Potter candies. So let's proceed to the one na sinasabi nilang bestseller nila.
Go another one. Okay, another one, please. Oh, we're saying so. What?
Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Okay, we've got the, I don't know, I love you mom thingy. But I think this is, alam niyo yung mga chocolate na ito mga loves, yan. So,
Open it.
masarap daw yun, chocolate daw yan.
Let's open it.
Para itong nips. It tastes like nips daw.
I love nips.
Look what's inside. It's coming to you.
Come here.
I've got pills.
The pills?
Let me taste. It doesn't matter what color, mga loves, because it just tastes the same.
Now let me smell. It smells good.
It's like little rocks. Small rocks.
Bigger box.
Mm. It's crispy.
See? What's inside?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Ah! I want the brown one.
It's like nips.
Mm.
Yummy. I love it. Oh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It doesn't taste like M&M's. It tastes like, it tastes like nips with, iba yung physical appearance lang. Yun lang. Well, anyway, mga loves, let's recap. This one, Harry Potter. Jelly slugs.
I love this.
Yes. Okay. So this one is a no-no because it tastes
Yummy.
like bubblegum or nail polish
Yummy.
for some reason.
Mm.
And the frog chocolate frog is actually ubus na, so delicious. And Bertie Bott's beans. Kung matimingan, timing sa inyo na masarap, so masarap. Yung mga hindi na masarap, hindi talaga masarap. So, yun. So, yun at na-try na namin mga loves sa inyong mga kamay na. If gusto nyo bang itry sa mga sarili nyo or hindi. Okay? Basta yun lang masasabi namin. Masarap at hindi masarap. Yun lang. And of course, the champion, the winner is the Candy Corner Chocolate na bestseller nila. Itong parang mga stone candies per chocolate inside.
Very yummy.
Parang nips. Yeah, ito lang yung
Very yummy, Nanay.
pinakamasarap so far. Yeah. Alright, so mga loves, if you would like to watch more of this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to like this video. Okay? And comment below kung ano yung mga gusto nyo ipatry sa amin. Kung afford namin, at achieve namin, why not? Coconut. Okay? So yun lang mga loves. Thank you so much for today. We love you. And bye-bye! Ready?
It's
1, 2, 3. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what
you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you made me do.
Look what you
Look what you made me do.
Look what you made me
You
do.
just made me do. Look what you just made me.